Welcome aboard for another video.
Thanks, Conductor Keith. Hello, the purpose of this video is that I'm here at Michael Franklin's place, which is what, an hour and 15 minutes from where I live? Mm-hmm. And Marge and Henry came. Mm-hmm. And of course, when the Friar caught wind, the Friar had to come too. So they're all here. And we're going to double head, we're going to attempt to double head our two live steam Accucraft SHAYS locomotives.
That's going to be fun.
Yeah, I know, eh? We'll see. I mean, we'll see what happens. So here we go. We see there's two SHAYS ready to go. Live steam, they're linked together. Henry and Marge came along. Of course, the Friar had to be here as well with his pony and his dog. There's the flag of Ontario and the period Canadian flag that I made for Michael here. Now, the interesting thing about this is that Michael runs the track here that is 5-foot diameter curve. These locomotives are advertised to run an 8-foot, but proof's in the pudding. They're running just fine on 5. I see this guy's a little like me. Well, there appear to be rail fans aplenty here. Well, there are some risks to doing this.
Oh, Henry, it's awfully nice being here at Michael's. I know what you mean, Marge. Yes, I know what you mean. And seeing these two SHAYS running together is quite the treat. Quite the treat. Oh, yes.
All right. I mean, this is just super cool here now. If you're train geeks like us.
I see that the Friar has found a good train watching location, and he handed me a piece of paper that says he hopes that you like this video, click like, that you comment. We love all comments, but most importantly, that you share this video so we can help the growth of our hobby.
I would take a Coke, probably, yeah. 0. Well, we have Morant's bear that came over the mountain all the way over here to the other side of Ottawa. Well, that was a ton of fun. Got a nice blow down. Satisfying live steam day. Well, all right. Thanks for running your SHAY with mine. That was really cool. I mean, we didn't burn the house down technically, but the fire department might have almost come. Anyway, good bit of fun, thanks.
Yeah, it was. It was great fun, Terry. Thank you for coming.